The truth of the real world is when something is very powerful and it's recognized as very powerful, like my brother said, when they have a social media platform and they recognize how it can influence young minds and they see how important it is to have control of it, the most powerful people in the world manage to get control of it. It doesn't matter if they make sure the people who are getting hired have a certain ideology. It doesn't matter if they sponsor certain groups and companies which lobby for X amount of laws in the government. It doesn't matter if they use their powerful friends to threaten or solicit. It doesn't matter if they buy X amount of stock. It doesn't matter what they do. They're the most powerful people in the world. If they're going to try their very best to get hold of a platform to use it for their own resources, their own reasons, they're probably going to be able to do it. And like my brother said, I don't believe a lot of these platforms were started with the idea of purporting a false narrative to the world on purpose. But once people realize that could be done, then it becomes the number one objective of the world's most powerful people to get control of these platforms.
If the world's most powerful man wants your watch, he's going to be your watch, or your house, or your car,
or
your
company.
website, or your company.
That's how it goes.
Yeah. Facebook went public. Remember that little dork? Oh, it's gone public. Who bought all the shares? I don't know. But he lost control at that point, and he's still the face of it.